Welcome to Medlook Video Tutorials. In this brief tutorial we're going to show how you can set the default view for any one of the folder list. First off, the patient folder list is the only one that has more than two types of default views. The rest of the items only have a variety of two, and you go to View. Table View is what we have by default, and then Card View. So you notice it looks entirely different. We go to Doctors, View, Card View. Hospitals, View, Card View. Let's go down to Procedures where there's a bigger list. We go to Card View, and so you can see it's a completely different view, but the operations you can perform on these are the same as you can in a table view. And so if I go back to Referrals, it remembers this. I'm going to put it back to Table View, and then I'll go back to Procedures. It's still in Table View, and I'll go back to Referrals, and it remembers that it's in Table View mode. Okay, now let's go to Patients. Patients has a few more. We have the table, for lack of a better name, which is really just a really wide view, flat wide view of the patient data. Okay, and there's a lot of information there. But you can set it to be the table list with phones, social security number, and date of birth. It's a much narrower field. Okay. Then you could also set it to be by insurance, listing the patients out. Here we see it grouped two levels. We got the insurance, these are non-insured, and then by doctor, insurance by doctor. Or you can set it to be by the patient due amount. And notice in this one we have it grouped so that we can see the total amount due from our patients at this point in time. And you could do it by the next 7 days schedule if we are using scheduling, or card view, which is similar to what we saw in the other spot. Okay, so let's just put it back to this. And that basically is how you can set it up so that, notice now I've got it so it's in this shorter list, the phone, social security number, date of birth, and the last column here is age. I'm going to, well, if I exited Medlook and I came back, it would come back, it would start back in the same spot. That concludes this brief tutorial.